Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you an easy trick to solve puzzles faster in Heartopia. First, just open your inventory and then make sure you already have a puzzle. You can buy a puzzle from Catching or on the Fashion Wave store, and then next just place it on your home and then just play start. And then now here's the trick that makes solving puzzle much easier. Just turn on the edge puzzle only like this, and then this will show only the 8 pieces, so you can quickly build the puzzle frame first and then just start arranging all the 8 pieces until the frame is complete. And then after you finish the edges, just turn off the edges, just complete it first like this, and then after that just turn it off like this. And then now you can continue arranging the remaining puzzle pieces. With the frame already done, it will be much easier to place the rest of the pieces like this. And once everything is complete, just tap on the puzzle and confirm it to finish it, and that's it. That's the easiest trick to solve the puzzle faster in Heartopia. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.